A factory reset restores your AirPods to their original state, clearing all pairings and customizations. This is your go-to solution for persistent audio issues, battery drain, or syncing errors. To reset AirPods or AirPods Pro, place both earbuds in the charging case, close the lid, then open it. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the LED flashes amber, then white. For AirPods Max, connect to a power source with a lightning cable. Press and hold both the noise control button and digital crown until the LED flashes amber, then white. Following the reset, repair your AirPods via Bluetooth on your iOS device. For eco-friendly practices, consider using Apple's online support portal for reset instructions before recycling your device. Before resetting, ensure your AirPods have at least 20% battery to prevent interruption during the process. Note that a factory reset is irreversible and will erase all custom settings such as EQ adjustments or Siri preferences. After resetting, if issues continue, check for iOS updates. Apple integrates resets seamlessly with features in iOS 19 and iOS 20, like Spatial Audio Pro. Be aware of AI-driven diagnostics in recent iOS updates that detect anomalies and may prompt proactive resets based on usage data from the Health app. In corporate settings, mass resets via iCloud are becoming common for firmware rollouts, ensuring uniform updates and preventing data leaks. Experts recommend resets as a key maintenance step, mitigating a large percentage of support queries and enhancing device longevity. While beneficial, always be cautious of potential data loss and consider any available backup options beforehand.